चक्रीवादळान जाल्ल्या हानी खातीर वास्कोत 24 वरां भितर सुमार 25 कॉल्स अग्निशामक दळाक आयिल्ले आसात. त्या भायर वेगवेगळ्या सुवातांचेर सुमार 35 तरी झाडां पडल्यात. मुरगांव पालिके सामकार पडिल्ल्या व्हड रुखाक लागून सगळ्यांत चड हानी जाल्या. हातूंत सुमार 5 ते 6 गाडयांक हानी जाल्या म्हूण अग्निशामक दळाचे ऑफिसर फ्रांसिस्को मेंडिस हांणी म्हायती दिल्या. डेस्कवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Because of cyclone, we have received around 25 number of calls. Since yesterday from 8 o'clock, within 24 hours, we have received around 25 calls, wherein calls are 25, but the number of trees falling could be anywhere around 35 trees falling on residential houses, blocking the road, falling on electrical wires, power shutdown, and even in these, you can say major damage was caused wherein a huge tree had fallen opposite municipality on the parking area, wherein I think almost around 5-6 cars were damaged. And my boys, our people are on the spot since yesterday because it's a very huge tree. I mean, now after some time we'll be employing a crane to just pick the tree and put it somewhere else, falling down. Now because of these calls, even my firemen, yesterday 2 firefighters were injured. They had to be treated at Chigalim Health Center. One boy got a cut on his hand and one on his leg.